whispers of the wind I hear, the sound of dreams crystal clear. Through the shadows a light will show, guiding us where the echoes go. Every moment a thread we weave, a tapestry of what we believe. The future calls, its voice so near, a song of hope we long to hear. Echoes of tomorrow, a promise untold,